everyone, welcome back to Tummy and Cheeks with me, Bonita. So today I'll be creating a simple makeup look. It's a no makeup look. So you can wear this look for a college, for office, for an interview, and also on a daily basis. So everybody has imperfections on their skin. I wouldn't say everyone has a clear skin. So let's get into the video and learn some makeup. So first I'll be prepping my skin. For that I've taken the Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield Hydrating Lotion SPF 25. So this is the lotion. This is a sunscreen. So whenever you go out, you need to apply a sunscreen. So first step, I'll be applying a sunscreen. I'll not be using many products over here because it's a no makeup look. So I'll be using a very minimal product so that everybody can wear on a daily basis. I'll not be using any blush or eyeshadow or any kind of contouring. So when I say it's a simple look, I'm not going to be applying any blush or contour or eyeshadow to my face. So it's a basic simple look. So for that I've taken this sunscreen and I'm going to be applying this. This will be my first layer. Gently I'm just spotting it. So as you can see, I have a lot of pimples and marks on my face. I'll be applying some foundation to hide those marks to get a flawless look. Apply it gently and let the sunscreen absorb in your skin. I've already applied a layer of moisturizer. I applied the oily moisturizer. On top of that, I'm using a sunscreen. So I'm also prepping my lips. I'm going to be using this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It has this consistency. So it's very thick consistency, so you can apply some of it on your lips. So the first step, I'll be using this Strobe cream. I'm going to be mixing it with my foundation and I'll be applying it on my face. So this gives a good glow to your skin, which will give you a good satin finish. So I'll show you how. I'm going to be taking this amount of Strobe cream. I'm also going to be using this NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat liquid foundation. So I'm in the shade Olive. So this is a matte foundation. Today I'm going to be using this. I love this foundation for a daily wear. So I'm going to gently be mixing these two and then dotting it on my face. So as you can see, you can build up the coverage. So I'm going for a medium to high coverage. If you want a sheer coverage, you can reduce the quantity of foundation. So I've dotted everything on my skin. I've taken a beauty blender. I'm gonna gently dab this on my skin. So you're just gonna push the product into your skin. Make sure to choose your shade correctly. So I'm in the shade Olive. You can choose any foundation that will suit your skin tone. If you want even more higher coverage, you can go ahead with one more layer of foundation. I feel this is enough for me. This is how my skin looks once I've applied a layer of foundation. You can if you want, you can go ahead and apply another layer if you feel that it's very light and it's not covered most of your marks. And then I also have some visible pimples, so I'm going to be applying this color corrector. This is concealer plus corrector from the Wet n Wild. It's a photo focus corrector and I'm in the shade medium Tawny. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna be spotting my pimples. If you want, you can do this step. It's up to you. It's totally your choice. If you don't have any marks on your skin, then you're good to the layer of foundation. So now that we are finished with the foundation, we'll be moving to our next step. So next I'm going to be applying powder. So this is the compact powder. This is from MAC. It's the Studio Fix MAC powder. This is the powder plus foundation. I'm in the shade NC40. You can use any compact powder. So make sure you're using a matte powder so that it sits on your face really well. So I'm taking some powder, applying it on the areas where it gets oily. It's mostly the T-zone. Also my neck. So now that I've applied the powder, so you can see how my skin looks. So this is how my skin looks. So the next step, I'm going to be applying some mascara to my eyes. For that I've taken the MAC Mini Mascara in the shade black. So I'm going to apply the mascara right now. So just push it from the inner corner and move it outside. I'm not a professional makeup artist, so this is my go-to look. If you want to try, you can. So if you want, you can apply another layer. I feel one layer is more than enough for me. So next we'll be doing our eyebrows. So I've taken this eyebrow pencil. This is from Miniso. So I'll be filling in the sparse parts of my eyebrows with this brown shade, and then I'll be gently setting this. Just go according to your brow line and then fill in the sparse area. I'm going to be repeating the same for this eyebrow. Use the spoolie and set my eyebrow. So this is how the eyebrow looks once I've filled in the eyebrows. So the next step, I'll be going with some eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I'm using the Lakme kajal. I usually use a kajal for my upper liner. So I'm gonna be taking this and I'll be applying this. So I've applied a liner. I'll be doing the same thing for this. So I've applied my eyeliner. So the last step will be lipstick. As I've applied some lip balm, I shall remove that and then be applying my lipstick. So now let me start applying the lipstick. For that, today I've chosen this lip liner from NYX. This is in the shade Soft Spoken. So I'll be lining my outer layer of the lips. I've lined the outer layer of my lips. So then I'll be moving with the lipstick. This is from MAC and it's in the shade, you wouldn't get it, 648. If you would have watched my MAC video, I would have reviewed these lipsticks, so you can find the link somewhere up. I'll just drop in the link in my iCard. So this is the shade that I'll be using. So this is the final look. I hope you like this look, and I have a lot of imperfections on my skin, and when you go out to look presentable, I like to prep my skin and get ready. So I'm not a makeup artist or like a skincare expert to be teaching you how about the looks, but this is my go-to look. Many people requested me to create a no makeup look for daily wear and for office, so that's why I came up with this video. If you did like the video, then please do like, share it with your friends and families, subscribe to our channel, and let me know if you want more such content on my channel. Thank you for watching Tummy and Cheeks. Until then, stay safe and take care. See you soon.